So this evening I've come round to a customer's house. It's an extension that I've been working on. It's an oak frame extension, not a huge one. It's about 3 meters by 3 meters. And I've just got to drill a hole through one of the timbers marked here, and I'm going to put an outside light on. And all I'm videoing today is me actually drilling the hole. Just take you inside, and as you can see, in the top hand corner here, this is obviously the other side. I've got my twin and CPC cable here for the lights, and that needs to come through the hole at an angle. Well, I've got to drill a hole at an angle, and then the cable obviously poke through it, and then the outside light can be attached to that. So the drill that I'm going to use to drill the hole is my Makita 18 volt battery drill. It's a combi drill, and as you can see, it's got a very long auger bit. It's approximately 18 inches long, because I need to use this particular one because the angle that I'm going to have to drill up, the light fitting is going to be mounted on approximately here, and the hole needs to be drilled in from there and then going up at quite a tight angle. So I'm going to try and drill this like with one hand, so it's not going to be easy, but I've got the setting set on 1. That's the lowest speed. Initially I'm going to drill the hole at 90 degrees just to get the hole going. Okay, so I've made a start, and now I'm going to drill the hole at this tight angle, and it's quite a lot of guesswork at this stage. And I can see the other side, and I can see this angle should be okay. So when I go, it should go through nice and simple. So here we go. Being a green oak, this particular building, it very easily clogs up the drill bit, and so the end of the drill bit, as you can see there, obviously it gets extremely hot, but it also clogs up with bits of sap and bits of wood, and so you have to keep taking it out every now and then. I'm having to do this using my shoulder as well. We'll just go inside and see if anything's come through. No, not yet. Okay, so I think I have just broken through the surface of the timber. I can't quite see up there. You can see that I think I've just started to come through there, so I'm relatively close to the edge, but that should be okay. I'll just drill a little bit more again. think I've come through there. So it's not damaged the surface at all. If we look up there, the hole has come through just there. So then I can take my twinning CPC. This particular is 1mm twinning CPC. I'll poke that through. Now, I'm not going to poke it all the way through, I'm going to leave a loop up here. So in the future, if ever it becomes, if I ever change the outside light at all, I'll tidy that up a bit, but you can see how it's come through. And then you can see the cable coming through there, so I can obviously now get the light installed.